Here's my 122, and it has a creeper gear, original, and yeah, I think that's a 48-inch blade. It's not 42 because it come off of Gravely. I fabricated the front mount. There's my 126, my 149 parts machine, my 125, my Cub Cadet original, my Cub Cadet 1862 model with a 3-point hitch, and a 2084 or a 2082. It's not an 1862. Those are just side covers that I used to put on it. Has a 50C deck on it, dual brakes, 26-inch tall rear tires, and power steering and tilt wheel. So that's just a few of them for right now. I'll post some other ones here in a few.